All right, we're gonna make a bone-in ribeye and some Yukon Gold potatoes for lunch. We're gonna kick things off by giving that ribeye a nice light coating of some olive oil, and then we're gonna rub it nice and good with our SPG rubs. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we wash our Yukon Gold potatoes. We're gonna slice them into some nice thick wedges. Then they're gonna get a good coating of oil, as well as our birdie and SPG rubs. Our birdie is a brown sugar-based rub, so it's gonna give those potatoes a nice sweet and savory flavor. The next thing we're gonna do is get that ribeye on a 250-degree pit boss, and it's gonna go for about 45 minutes until it reaches 125 internal. Then it's gonna come off and rest, and then it's gonna get seared for 2 minutes per side until it hits medium rare. And then we're gonna slice it up. Look at that perfect crust from our SPG rub and edge to edge pink.